Right now, somewhere in your organization, there is pressure to automate everything. More systems, more agents, fewer people left in the loop. It feels like progress. It feels like the modern thing to do. But I want to tell you about the moment that same pressure caught up with one of the most automated factories on Earth. Elon Musk set out to build what he called an alien dreadnought, a Tesla factory so automated that human hands would barely touch the line. The machines would build the machines. Instead, the line jammed, production stalled. Musk later called it production hell and admitted in his own words that excessive automation had been his mistake. So he did something that looked on the surface like a retreat. He tore the machines out. He put people back on the very tasks the robots kept fumbling, and the work sped up. It turned out that humans on those particular steps were faster and more reliable than the automation built to replace them. Here is what makes this hard. Adding automation always looks like progress. Removing it feels like admitting defeat. So leaders keep pushing forward past the point where the technology still serves the work. But pulling a machine back out is not going backwards. It is one of the bravest moves you can make. And this is the part I want you to sit with. A machine will never decide to stop itself. It has no instinct for when it has gone too far. Only a leader can own that decision. De-automation is not a technical adjustment. It is a governance act, and the accountability for it sits with you, not with the system. So as you roll out AI, keep asking the honest question. Where has the technology quietly stopped serving the work? The bravest move in your whole program might be pulling a single machine back out. If you would like, I will come and run a de-automation review with your leadership team and help you turn the pressure to automate everything into a short list of the few things worth keeping human.